Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can play Generals online while using Gen Launcher to launch mods as well, so you can play mods with your friends. First, we will go to the Gen Launcher website, which will be linked in the description. Go to download now, click on this button here. It will download the Generals online setup. Once that is done, you can press keep here, then keep anyway. And now you have this file. Then you will go to the second link in the description and press download now for the Gen Launcher application. Once that is downloaded, you can find that we have these two files that we downloaded, as well as a third executable that will be linked in the description. It's called Gen Launcher Go. See what that is in a second. First, let's extract Gen Launcher, place it here. Now that we have the files that we need, which are Gen Launcher Go, and Generals Online setup, first we will take these two, copy them, and take them to our Command & Conquer 0 hour directory. I have mine in the D, Command & Conquer 0 hour. We will place them here. And then we launch the first one, which is Gen Launcher, the regular one. It will prompt you for an update first, which means you have to go in the bottom right here and download the update. Then press on add mod and add the mod that you want to choose and install. Now, while this is installing, let's go back here and start the Generals Online setup. Then you press accept, next, next, and then you browse for the location of your game, which means we have to go. It's already found my game, and then you press on the executable for the game here. Click open, next, next, and it should finish in a in a few seconds. Now you can tick this and it will launch the vanilla 0 hour, but for this tutorial we will be launching the Gen Launcher with mods, so we need to untick this and press finish. Now that that is done, let's check the progress on our download. Okay, now that the download has finished, we need to close this Gen Launcher and open the other Gen Launcher, which is Gen Launcher Go. Go stands for Generals Online, which is why we will be using it to play the game. For this one, we only used it to download the mod that we need. So we launch the Gen Launcher Go, and then we go to the options. If you face any issues running the game, for example it crashes or maybe you have lag, it's important to set recommended settings. But if you have no issues at all, then it's recommended to have max settings. Even heat effects. Heat effects is known to cause some issues on 0 hour, but Gen Launcher Go, thanks to the super hackers, have managed to fix the issues that are caused by heat effects. Lastly, you will untick this, and you must have default camera height chosen here, not custom camera height. You choose default camera height. If you use custom camera height, then you will not be able to join your friend's lobby. It will say that you have a different INI or modification than them. Okay, now we click apply, and then we launch the game. Here it will ask us to either run Generals or Generals Online. We will choose this one, obviously. And then we go to the options. You can see that there are extra options here that are not existing in the main game. These are options that are tied to the new features that Generals Online adds. The important one here is the graphics. You see this limit frame rate option? You will need to have it unticked like this. Because it helps with the stability and the Like it helps any lag, it reduces any lag issues if someone has limit frame rate and the others don't. Now we press play.
EA Games. Challenge everything.
And now once you're in game, you can notice already how much faster the menus are. Now we go to multiplayer, online, and then you can log in through either Discord, Game Replays, or Steam. It's preferable to use Discord. Once you click authorize, and now you are logged in. Go to custom match. Features that Generals Online has added recently is the communicator, which allows you to see your friends who are playing, as well as see them here as marked by the blue. So you can join this lobby, for example, and now you are in game. And you can choose whichever faction you want, or you can be an observer. This is about it for how to install. Now I want to discuss one last thing that you can do in this in the Generals Online client, which is you can create a game, then you can write max camera height, and then whichever number you want. This controls how much the players can see in the map. So if you're not used to how low the camera is in 0 hour, you can use it to increase it. But I do not recommend increasing it more than 450 because if any players have weak devices, it might start causing lag or performance issues. So by writing this, you can see it says the host has set the maximum camera height to 450. And that concludes it for this tutorial. Later on, hopefully there will be new features that we can discuss, and maybe a new launcher called GenHub that is being teased to release, which will have even more features and more functionality introduced into the game. And hopefully you wouldn't have to download even 2 or 3 files. It will be just one file that will have everything, one complete package. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.